Hi guys, I already put some mixed fruits in here, the frozen. Then I'm gonna add some strawberry here. And I already put some milk. Then I'm just gonna blend it up this guys. It's very hot today in here guys.